Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Will's Cartomancy Tarot. I just like to go on and just go on and give a reading about the new Supreme Judge nominee, and just to see what we see here and what's going on with her. Okay, I've decided today, ladies and gentlemen, to use my Lenormand's deck as illustrated as we see here, in addition to using a few additional oracle cards just to give us a bit more pardon advice. I certainly hope that you subscribe and also, like and share, okay? So let's go on and get started. I'm going to start off and just make a few general observations, and then we're going to go on from there, okay? I'm kind of getting a sense here that with looking at these cards, ladies and gentlemen, I'm feeling that the judge seemed to be going through a time of, of course, decision, you know, and I feel a sense that she was very hurt. She has a dry personality. I'm feeling that, you know, she's kind of, getting, what she wants. And I'm feeling that she's very energetic. I mean, she's career driven. And I see that looking at her cards here, it's certainly a time of luck and opportunity for her. Okay? And I'm seeing that she strongly desires this new position, and I'm feeling that, you know, I'm feeling that she's a very mysterious woman, okay? And she's really a spiritually inclined woman, as you've all seen, as you've seen in the news here for her. Let's start off with the bottom card, as we see here. We have that snake card, ladies and gentlemen. So the snake certainly represents her, but the thing of it with the snake card, it shows that she's untrustworthy. She's envious. She's jealous, manipulative. She's a rebel. I'm feeling that, she's kind of dealing with a bit of a lot of temptation, you know. And it shows that Trump is certainly, I feel, he's making her, in fact, her puppet here that I'm kind of getting here with this card. Okay? And one thing that you would kind of see here with this card, okay, here, it kind of goes back to the biblical association of how Eve was tempted with the snake here. So Trump is tempting her. So it looks like there's a lot of lies and cheating and deceit here. And she's really, to be honest, she's a person of weak character. You know, she's an iconic winch, if you will, She has a hidden agenda, she's a traitor. I'm kind of getting it. She's very self-possessed, ladies and gentlemen. And in fact, hypocritical with this card. So Trump is certainly up to no good, and neither is she. So I'm feeling that he's only playing nice, but is I'm feeling very deceptive. He's a sweet talker, you know? And it clearly shows a lot of dishonesty here with this, new nominee that he's trying to get selected here. Okay? So let's go on and just look at the cards here that falls in the past here, or the basis of the matter. What she may have already gone through or what she's currently experiencing here. So card 10, the Sit card, you know, it's all about, a shocked and kind of rushed decision. So this shows how, really Bartlett's previous desire, she was very shocked to be considered for this position here. And I'm feeling that she really wants to get out of a contract. She wants to really resign from her current position. But you see here that we have card 31 here. And that's a sun card, and it sits so close. So this kind of suggests that this is certainly is going to be a change for the better for her. So since this card is all about, ladies and gentlemen, happiness and optimism and joy, I kind of feel that if she gets this position, it will certainly be, ladies and gentlemen, a turning point for her. It's going to alleviate, I'm feeling, all of her problems. And She'll finally obtain the prestige and have a prominent role within the government that she's been really kind of seeking for so long, you know? And I'm feeling here since, you have a very positive, she has a very positive card here, the Clover, that sits so close to her. I feel that it further, ladies and gentlemen, emphasizes the fact that she'll have a, really good luck on her side. And ladies and gentlemen, in fact, incredible, good luck. Almost like she's hit the jackpot. And just moving on to this card here, the pathway, card 22, however, kind of denotes that I kind of feel that she's going to be a bit at a crossroad concerning this new opportunity and might have received other offers, in a sense. She might be, trying to make a decision, with combined with the woman here, because this woman card, represents her, here that I'm kind of getting here. Okay? So we're going to move on to her future cards just to see what we can expect. Okay? So we already know that the woman card represents her, so there's no really any need of any further, interpretation of that card because it represents her. So let's look at what might be kind of coming towards her in the future. Okay, so card 9, ladies and gentlemen, represents the bouquet card. So it's all about, ladies and gentlemen, victory and achievement. It's all about, surprise and good luck, which brings about happiness, So this shows that Barlek, she's going to be very successfully nominated. It kind of shows her kind of being very happy. I'm kind of getting here, particularly within this position that I'm getting here. And so when you're combining the next card here, ladies and gentlemen, with the Bear card, which is a very strong card here, in addition to the House card there, it confirms that she wants to kind of move in a very comfortable home or even, in fact, a secret environment. So what I'm kind of getting here is that I'm seeing a very, very happy turn of events and a very substantial offer that's going to be presented to her that certainly she can't refuse, She's going to be in a very powerful position, okay? And I feel that she's going to settle down, but it looks like she wants more of a private position where the media is not surrounding her home here, okay? I'm also getting to that, it shows here that because our reading ends with a very positive cards, I'm seeing a lot of hopes and dreams coming true. She, going through all of this, in her mind, torture to get selected or nominated, she's going to feel that she's come to the light of the end of the tunnel. She feels that help has come from above, But the thing of it with her, which goes back to the snake card, is that she still refuses to answer certain questions. And one thing that I do understand about having gone to law school is that you learn to give your judgment on theoretical legal situations here. And she was asked on several occasions, okay, to comment on what she would agree to or what she would not agree to, and she refused to because she's Trump's puppet. But she's going to make it, and she's going to get confirmed prior to the election. And with having, ladies and gentlemen, this ancestor card, it certainly shows that she's very deserving of receiving whatever it is that she wants here. She certainly has the wherewithal to get anything that she wants here. But guys, is it going to be a trick or a treat here? Okay? So it looks more like that I'm kind of feeling here that there's a lot of deception that seems to be going on here. Okay? And it's a lot of mischief that is surrounding this here. So I just don't feel that she's the right one for this I'm not, as being the nominee here, but I just feel that she's going to go ahead and get confirmed here, ladies and gentlemen. So let me hear your comments. And again, like and share to others. And I certainly look forward to hearing, you know, anything you would have to say with regards to the situation. And be sure to, you know, like and share. Okay? Thanks a lot for your time. Thanks a lot.